Hey crochet lovers, welcome to AB's Art. So today I'm going to teach you this beautiful yet very easy crochet pattern which you can use for your handbags, for your tops or wherever you can. But this is going to be a very easy project and you would love doing this. So let's get going. For this project I've taken hook size of 1.75 mm. And Simply Soft 4-ply yarn. I have these spare yarns, so I'm going to use it, and I have used some light colors so that you would understand it clearly, but you can choose any color of your choice. Let's start. I'm starting with my first crochet pattern. For this, make a chain of 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 38, 39, 40, and I'm going to make one chain up. Now leaving this first chain, from second chain from the hook, I'll make one single crochet and one more single crochet. Then I'll make chain of 2, 1 and 2, and I'll leave 2 chain base chains 1 and 2, and I'm gonna make 2 single crochet, 1 and another one in the next stitch, 2, this way. Again 2 chain, 1, 2, leaving 2 chain base chains 1, 2, make 2 single crochet, 1 in each stitch, 1 and 2. Repeat 2 chains, leave 2 chains and make 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. Likewise, you have to repeat the pattern till here, till end of the row. 1, 2 chains, leave 2 chains down here and make 2 single crochet like this. So I'm almost done. My last stitches, 1, 2, taking 2 chains and leaving 2 chains down here, I'll make 2 single crochet, 1 and the last single crochet in the last stitch here. Now I'm going to take chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and turn my work, and this chain 3 would count as one double crochet. In the next single crochet from the below row, I'll make one double crochet on it, this way. Then again chain 2, and on 2 single crochet I'll make 2 double crochet, 1 and 2. 2 chains, 2 double crochet on 2 single crochet from row 1, 1 and 2. So we will repeat this till the end of the row. Two chains, 2 double crochet on 2 single crochet, 2 chains, 2 double crochet on 2 single crochet till end of the round. Alright, so I'm left with my 2 single crochet, and now I'm going to make 2 double crochet on it, 1 and 2, like this. Now I'll not take any turning chain. I'll directly turn. Okay, I'll take one turning chain. I'll turn and make one single crochet on the first double crochet. One single crochet on double crochet and one single crochet on one double crochet, like this. Chain 2. Now on double crochets we will make single crochets. One single crochet and two single crochet. Chain 2. One single crochet, another single crochet. So as you can see, this pattern is super easy. In first row we have taken two single crochet, two chain, two single crochet. This way we have followed the sequence. In row 2 we have made two double crochet over two single crochet with a gap of chain 2, and again in row 3 we will repeat row 1, and likewise we will repeat row 1, row 2, row 1, row 2. So in this row again, two chain, two single crochet, two chain and two single crochet, two chain, two single crochet. Oops. This way. As you can see, I am done with my third row, and again I'll start with my fourth row, which is very much similar, or which is exactly similar to row number 2. So 1, 2, 3 chain up, turn, and this 3 chains would count as one double crochet and another double crochet on the single crochet from the previous round. This way. Chain 2, double crochet on single crochet, 1 and 2, two chains, double crochet on single crochet, 1 and 2. This way you have to follow the sequence. I'm going to make few more rounds and I'll show you then. Alright, so here I have completed all my stitches, and you can see it looks so elegant and beautiful. So you can try making these stitches for your tops, for your handbags, and for baby frocks or your placemats. You can try with this. I would suggest you to take yarn a little bit harder for this, because soft yarn would not give you that good finish. So here is this. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please keep liking, sharing and subscribing my videos. Thank you.